Welcome back, dear students. This is the third lecture of Similarity chapter, which is the first chapter of the textbook. And in this lecture, we are going to understand solved example number 1. I'm doing only one problem in this lecture, so solve it and practice it. So let's try to understand the first example given on page number 3. Solved example 1. In this figure, we have AE perpendicular to BC. AE perpendicular to BC. BC is down here. And DF is perpendicular to line BC. DF is outside and line BC. BC is here. Now we'll draw the diagram separately. You can see here ABC is an acute angle triangle, whereas DCB is an obtuse angle triangle. So therefore their perpendicular bisector is coming outside. Okay. So here you have the measurements given of AE and DF. So we'll write it down. AE is 4 and DF is 6. We have to find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. So first of all, we'll try to find out the base and height of each triangle. So triangle ABC, base is down here, base is BC, height is AE, which is 4, and in triangle DBC, base is again BC, right? Base is BC and height is this red line here, and is DF because it's given its perpendicular bisector and the measurement is 6. Now it is given that both the base is having same, that is BC is the base. So which formula will we take? We'll take the formula A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2, right? Because the base are equal. Now what is H1? H1 is height of the first triangle. What is the height of the first triangle? So this is the first triangle, this is the second triangle. What is the height of the first triangle? The first triangle, the height is 4. And what is the height of the second triangle? The height of the second triangle is 6. Now we cancel this. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So answer will be 2 upon 3. So what is the answer? This answer is area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Now ABC is A1 upon area of triangle DBC. DBC is what? A2. So what is the answer we have got? We've got here 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is 2 upon 3. This is what was asked. So isn't it very simple? If you know the formula and if you know the properties which I have taught at 1, 2 and 3 properties, you should know which formula to use based upon the conditions given. So condition given was here, the base was common. So naturally when the base is common, then we will use the formula H1 upon H2. So we'll see once again neatly, and if you want to write it down, you can write. Here you have the question, and here in triangle ABC, base is BC, height is AE. So base is this B1, height is H1, this base is B2 and height is H2. So in order to find the ratio of the two triangles, which are the two triangles? Triangle ABC upon triangle DBC, we are using the formula A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. And what is H1. H1 is AE, which is 4. And what is DF? DF is 6. After cancellation, you're getting 2 upon 3. So, answer will be, write the answer neatly. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to 2 upon 3. So, solved example, this is the first one, and children remember, solved examples is the base that you should have before you start doing the exercise. So, solved examples, once you understand the solved examples, the properties and the formulas, the exercise becomes very simple. I hope you have understood the first solved example. In the next video, we will understand the second solved example, which is given on page number 4. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you.